Do you know how much a product designer actually earns in India? So I have two of my friends, one of them works at Google and the other one works at Microsoft, and they told me that they earn similar amounts to a software engineer, and that too working in product design. So अगर तुम्हें ये लगता है कि यार designers are not getting paid enough and software engineers को ज़्यादा pay किया जाता है, this is a misconception and I'll clear this for you. In the AI era, you are getting a lot of AI slop websites. Whenever you check a new website, the design looks very similar to a website you might have seen like 2 months back or a month back, right? Just because everyone is generating these websites using no code tools or using AI. And these AI coding agents are trained on sloppy websites only. That's why the designs that you get are mostly very similar. But this is going to change now because Replit has launched their design mode. So in this video, we'll be talking about different type of UI UX designs and styles that you can use in your videos, which will give them a wow element. Even if you are a freelancer or you work at a company or you are going for a hackathon, you are a student, you are building project for yourself, this is going to be a game changer for you because design is what makes a decent product in an amazing product. And now that is also on your fingertips. You don't need to know a lot about UI UX design. You just need to know how to prompt. And if you can do that at the right styles, at the right guidelines, you'll be able to create the best project of your life. If you can add the right guidelines, if you can add the right metrics, you can actually create the best websites, best projects of your life. You can win hackathons, you can get clients, you can get promotions. There are so many things for you that you can get. So yes, let's go and I'll walk you through different types of designs, and we'll also make a few websites to showcase how Replit design is doing some crazy work. So there are different types of designs and styles. So ek karke I'll tell you what all designs and styles are there, and then we'll deep dive and build 5 different types of projects and ideas from these different types of design elements or design styles. Number 1 is minimalism. So you have seen Apple's design, that is minimalism. Limited color palette, simple typography, and the thing that comes out is very clean, simple aesthetic. And the philosophy behind this is less is more. So as you can see, Replit has launched their design mode. It is in beta right now. You can go from an idea to design in just under 2 minutes, and then you can use Replit to build that idea into a final production ready app. You can do everything from designing to finally shipping that product inside Replit. So first of all, we'll try minimalism. So this is a prompt: create a minimalistic photography portfolio website with abundant white spaces, a clean sans serif typescript like Helvetica or Enter, monochromatic color scheme, blah blah blah. So let's click on start design, and now it will take 2 minutes to design this. While it is designing, we'll talk about a few more design styles that you can try out. We'll be trying out 5 of them in this video, but there are more than that. There are different types of style elements like minimalistic, brutalism. Then there is Neo-brutalist. After that, you have your flat design, you have material design, you have Glassmorphism, and there are many more. So if you have recently checked out the Apple's new design, if you have a MacBook or an iPhone or an iPad, you will see Glassmorphism everywhere. So छोटे-छोटे design elements होते हैं, have a hint of glass, how glass will refract light, how things when you see from the edge of a glass will look like. All these things are shown in the Apple design. So it has even created different stock images. And so Replit is internally using Gemini 3.0 and it has Veo 3 and Nano Banana Pro. So both of them combined, if you want videos for your websites, if you want images for your websites, it creates amazing images, amazing videos. So yesterday I created a video, I created a photo from a prompt and then converted it into a video of me sitting at the back of a cab and typing, and the result was amazing. I posted it on Twitter as well. You can check that out. So the first is done. It only took 1 minute. That is crazy. Capturing silence and light. This is quite fancy way. This is actually really good, and it is clean, aesthetic, minimalistic, what we asked for, right? This is one of the design elements. The next one we'll try out is brutalism. As you can see, it created a HTML. You can interact with it. You can change things if you want to. And it also created CSS for you. It blended the elements, added things. And initially it created all the images that it is using for you. So It is actually coding everything for you, so that even if you want to make changes to it, you can change it, and you can directly publish it from here if you just want an HTML website, and you can add links to different things. And after that, you can add integrations also. If you want to convert this application into a production ready app, you can add authentication, you can add security scanner, assistant. There are so many things that you can add, and you can add different integrations that we have at Replit. So things like Replit database, Replit app store, authentication, domains, and you also have Figma MCP. So if you want to convert this into Figma, that will also be possible. Now let's go and we'll try another one. Design a brutalist website for an underground music label with raw HTML aesthetics, clashing neon colors, lime, green, hot pink, electric blue. If you would have tried doing the same thing without a design mode, the outputs would have been like really different, and you don't need any other app. So earlier what I used to do is I used to like create a Claude artifact with design, make changes to it, and then take a screenshot of that design and then give it to Replit to build that website. But now it's not required. Let's see what it builds. So it has generated some images, adding neon green, neon pink, and a club vibe. It has created all the elements, created the TSX files. So now I think it is creating the website in React to showcase. Application restarted, and here we have nice. It is what we asked for. It is too much in my face, but yeah, it looks exactly what we asked for, and the design is cool, I would say. You can even chat with the agent. For example, I don't like the skull. Let's create a better logo. Now it will create a better logo for me and update the skull. So it is generating multiple design variants, I think. So it created 1, 2, evaluating logo content. Now it's replacing it. We reject the polished surface. We embrace the noise. Audio warfare against the corporate mainstream. Raw, unfiltered, broken. So from design to content to aesthetics, everything just from a single prompt. We are living a dream. So इसने logo तो add कर दिया है, but I think I don't need the background. Don't like the background. Let's remove the black background from the logo and add a neon border instead. So now if you want to build something like Apple's UI, you can use Glassmorphism for the same, and you can convert any website in a Glassmorphic website. We'll also do that. So it has removed the black and added some square. We'll have to chat with it, but I think it's good to start with. Apart from this, everything looks amazing. Let's go and we will build another one. Design a Glassmorphic crypto trading platform with frosted glass effects, card using blur and transparency, subtle light borders, layered depth with overlapping translucent planes, gradient backgrounds, purple to blue, white text with good contrast, floating UI elements, charts and everything. So it should look modern, premium with soft shadows and backdrop filter blur. So it will look very similar to your Apple UI. And people are creating crazy things using Replit design. People are updating actual websites using Replit design. So I saw someone creating an Aether website and creating a better version of Aether's website using Replit design. So it's pretty amazing. And people are also using this to build their portfolios and showcase their resume in a better way. So I saw someone who had built a Windows style resume portfolio website where everything that you see is 1998 XP sort of a Windows design. So if you want to live in nostalgia or showcase this to anyone, you can do so many things using Replit design now. So it has started generating images, outlining different components, successfully finished batch 1, created the layout. I think it will be ready in another 30 seconds or a minute. It genuinely took 2 minutes, and I'm not even kidding. I started at 12:54 and it's 12:56 and it's ready. Glassmorphic design, you can see the blur, the shadows, and it's an interactive website. And you can even actually add a backend to it, database to it, like add actual APIs which can fetch these numbers real time. I wish Bitcoin was at $45,000, but it is not. And Solana was at like $98. It would have been great. But yeah, as you can see, the interactions, everything is pretty smooth. So I thought of creating a portfolio website similar to Super Mario Bros. Ka pura theme. If you have played Mario when you were a kid, then this is something that you can like actually use and showcase your skills. You can even create a lot of internal websites. Like if you are a small business, if you are like small startup, and if you want to track where the money is going, if you want to track how people are actually spending their time, if you want to create something similar to Notion for your internal use and you don't want to pay premium for Notion, you can actually build all those things internally. And I actually feel the future is going to be people building internal tools, like internal SaaS tools, using tools like Replit, or like they don't require bigger firms like Workday for their HR and management stuff. There is something called HR1. All these companies have very primitive, very simple use cases. So for any simple use cases where you are spending like $1 million a year on just contracts, people will start building that internally. So it has created all the design elements, generated everything from the background to Mario to bricks to the hole, the ground, the coins. Amazing. Now it's constructing the components. Now in debuilding phase, my assets are ready to go. We got an error. I think it will get fixed. It's me, Mario. Welcome to my interactive resume. I think we need to remove the background, but let's see how to move. Oh, okay. I think we'll have to do something more. The background is not proper, but yeah. 2023 to present, senior front-end engineer, web developer, React, Node, I know. All the backgrounds are not removed, but yeah. These are the projects. I think I can click on these projects. All the skills that I have. Oh, I can't move. So I think we'll have to update it a lot, but we can do all that when we are actually coding. But it has created the basic version for sure. And yeah, it looks good. You can email Mario. Last, we'll combine two things. So design a Neo-brutalist SaaS landing page, combining brutalist rawness and modern usability, thick black borders, blah, blah, blah. So think Gumroad or Linear's aesthetic. So if you have seen Linear's website, it is crazy. So I really love it. You can see this. I've tried mimicking this multiple times, but like AI tools are not able to do it. Even Cartasia, I really like this website too. But yeah, I tried mimicking this. I was able to do somewhat of something similar. So as you can see, this design element is super amazing. The small interactions, as you see, like I really like this website. And in today's era where everyone can build websites, everyone can build apps just using prompts, the major differentiator between you and an AI slop is going to be design and how the UI UX actually looks and feels. So I'll show you one more which I had built using prompts. This is also very clean aesthetic, but I think I can do a really better job just by using Replit. So I'll definitely try it out. And it's ready. Crazy, bro. Yeah, I think there are some issues like the PNG is not rendering properly, but you can update that. But this is so cute. I can actually use this design. I really like it for my next startup. I'm going to use this for sure, like 100%. So yeah, you can play around with Replit. The link to Replit is in the description. You can even build apps on your phone. So that is amazing. I have created multiple videos on this and I really love the product. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, press the like button, click on subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.